how to enable or disable Amplify Speech Volume for Google Text-to-Speech on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on vision enhancements. Now scroll down and then tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on text-to-speech settings. In here, make sure Google is set as a preferred engine and then tap on the settings icon. Then in here we go down and tap on Amplify Speech Volume. So tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off Amplify Speech Volume. And here when you switch this on, it will make spoken text louder than normal, so it's easier to hear over other audio that might be playing. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.